Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm going to do top 5 blushes. So this is a series which I have already started. I'm going the stepwise as I do my makeup. So today is blush, top 5 blushes, and I have almost every blush which is from drugstore, only one blush which is from high end, because honestly I don't buy any high end blushes because somehow they are very expensive and I don't want to spend a lot of money on blushes, because I love a lot of blush. I love blushes. I think it is one of my favorite makeup products, so it is costly and I don't want to spend a lot of money on blushes. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below, so check it out. Please support me guys. I need your support. Your girl needs support, please, so please do that. And I've already done this makeup look using the Norvina 3 Pro Pigment Palette 3, so I think that might already up on my channel, so I'll put a link in the description below, so just check it out. So yeah guys, let's just dive in the video because I don't want to make these videos very long. So first of all, going with my favorite drugstore brand, which is Wet n Wild. So these are the Wet n Wild Coloricon blushes. I think I have 4 or 5 of these. They are really good and they are very cheap. Here in Dubai it is for around 29-30 dirhams. I think it is a very good price for a blush. Honestly, I don't use these blushes. They are of no use, and the pan size is huge. And this is the color Pearlescent Pink. It is a very pretty pale nude pink color. I usually go with a lot of pinks, peaches, mauves color, not the pinks which are very vibrant but very neutral pink colors, because it goes with a lot of looks. Peaches go with a lot of looks, and these blushes are actually really good. They have a little bit of sheen to it, but it is not like it won't exaggerate your pores, so I think that is a really good thing. It has a very beautiful sheen. It is very lightweight. It is long lasting. Usually all my blushes last a very long time. I think that is a really good thing, because sometimes blushes don't last a very long time, but these blushes really do last a very long time. They are very smooth, they are very easy to blend, and they are not very pigmented, so you can just build it up a couple of times, and it has a beautiful sheen to it. So I think this is a very beautiful blush, and they have a lot of shades. So I think I have 4 or 5 and they are really good. I think from all blushes, I think I would always prefer Wet n Wild because they are really good. So in US it is for only $2.99, $2.99, almost $3, so it is very cheap. And here in Middle East it is for around 27-29 dirhams, almost till 30 dirhams, depending on from which store you are purchasing. So it is a very cheap blush, I think. And it is I think you don't need to invest in a lot of high-end blushes if you know which blushes are really good from drugstore. I think that is good. Then going on to the second blush, which is from LA Girl. As you can see, the pan size is really huge in this. So this is the LA Girl Just Blushing blush. I have only 2 of those, and they have a lot of shades. I think they have 24 shades for blushes, and I think that is a very good and pretty big range for a blush. And I have the shade Just Peachy and Radiant. I have both are mostly peachy, but one is more of a matte and one is more of a shimmery kind. So it has 16 shades. I think that is a pretty good shade, and they have very neutral nude shades. Nude means I mean brownie nudes to pinky nudes to peachy nudes, and they have a lot of bold shades. So I think that is really good, and they are very buildable. So if you are very heavy handed, I think these blushes are really good, because they won't just give they won't give a lot of color at once on your cheeks. So I think that is good. And I think not a lot of people love blushes, but I love blushes. I don't know, somehow the blushes give you a very youthful look. So I think that is really good. Even on normal days when I'm just going out, I usually put blush because I love blushes, and people might think I look like a clown. I don't mind. I love a good blush, so I will always use blush. So they have 2 finishes, matte and shimmer. So As you can see, I have the matte and shimmery ones both. So depending on what type of blushes you like, matte or shimmery, you can actually purchase those, and they are very silky smooth, and actually I love it. Here I got it from, in Dubai I got it from Glamazil. It was only for 20 dirhams, very cheap, cheaper than the Wet n Wild ones. So these blushes in US it is for $7, but here I got from Glamazil for 20 dirhams. I don't know, somehow the Wet n Wild one is here, it is a bit costly, and the LA Girl one is cheap, but in US the LA Girl one is a bit pricey and the Wet n Wild is cheap. I don't know, but anyways, these are a really good blush, and I want to buy a lot of blushes because they are good, and I love a good blush, so I don't mind a lot of blushes. Now going on to the Makeup Revolution one. These I recently, I think a few months back, I got these Makeup Revolution blusher reloaded. I got 3 shades. These are all matte blushes. They are really good, and I think it was for around 1.99 pounds. I'm not sure, but let me just check. So these blushes are velvet powder blushes, and they are available in 12 shades. I think it is a pretty good shade range. As you can see, the pattern is very similar to their highlighters. I think somewhere it is written it is for 3.99 pounds, somewhere it is written it is for 2.99 pounds, so I'm not sure, but I had got it from Beauty Bay, and I think I had got it for almost 2 pounds, so it was very cheap. Even if you convert it to dirhams, it is very cheap, and they have a lot of shade range, so it is very good. Then going on to Milani, I have both baked blushes as well as the matte blushes. So going on to the baked blushes, I don't know, somehow I like the baked blushes more than their powder floral blushes. I don't know why, but these are the 2 shades. I have the shade Milani Luminoso. This is their classic original shade which everyone raves about, so I have got the Milani Luminoso. Then I have got the shade Berry Amore. This is my favorite actually, even from Luminoso. I actually love it because it is not even it has pink, it is not very pinky, it has shimmer as well, but it is more of a mauvey color, and it goes with almost every makeup look. So I think that is a really good thing about this blush, and honestly I love this blush a lot. I mean, I use this shade a lot. Yeah, it is available here on Glamazil, so I think it is for around 30-40 dirhams, so if you want you can check it out. And even Milani, I think Beauty Bay delivers here in Middle East. I have ordered a lot, so you can purchase from there also. And this blush also, if you can see, there is a mirror and the brush as well, but honestly I don't love these type of brushes. I don't know, and I don't know the system if I'm using here and then I'm looking at the mirror here. Anyways, that is of no use. I love these, and they are available in 11 shades. Now I don't know whether they have added more lines or not, I'm not sure, but they are available in 11 shades. They are very buildable, they have a lot of pop of colors, they have very vibrant colors as well. I actually love it more than the powder one. So in US it is for around $7.99, so I think it is very similar to the price of LA Girl. Milani is a bit costlier than the most of the drugstore brands, so just keep that in mind, but honestly I love those. Then going on to the, and here as I told you, on Glamazil it is for around 40 dirhams. Then going on to these powder ones, I don't know what they are called, but they are just powder blush. As you can see, the design on that, the imprint on that, it is so damn beautiful. Honestly, because of this I don't even like to use it, because I feel like I might destroy the design on it, but it is a very good blush. They are not as vibrant as the baked blushes. These are very sheer, they are very sheer. That is why I love the baked ones more. I have the shade Blossom Time Rose and Romantic Rose. This is a bit costlier than the baked ones. The baked ones were for $7.99, and the powder one is for $8.99. So according to what you like, you can buy the blushes. There is nothing like you have to buy the baked one as well as the powder blush also. They have, I think, only 4 shades, and they are more of a rosy tone, so you don't get very vibrant orange, red kind of colors. You get more of a peachy, rosy pink colors as well, so just keep that in mind. And even here in Middle East you will get that on Glamazil, or I think even on Beauty Bay. So on Beauty Bay, Milani bronzers and blushes are for around 30-40 dirhams, so just check that out. So going on to the tart blushes, these blushes are usually costly. High-end brushes are usually costly for around 140-150 dirhams, but usually I had got, I think last year, this was their holiday collection, and as you can see I had got 5 blushes in this, and I had got it for the same price in which I usually get one blush. I mean, I had got this for around 150-180 for 5 blushes, and usually one blush is for around 145 dirhams. You know, it is not necessary that you need to have all high-end blushes. You can actually go for drugstore ones because they are really good, and I honestly would suggest the drugstore ones because they are really good. And even Colourpop has a variety of blushes. I don't know, somehow earlier they used to sorry about that, but it was from upstairs, not my mistake. But Colourpop used to deliver here. Now I'm not sure whether it delivers or not. So even Colourpop it is a very affordable brand, so I think you get everything from Colourpop, and I think you get everything from Colourpop, so I think that is really good. So Tarte usually comes out with this range of blushes during holiday season. This year holiday season I didn't actually like the blush palette because it was not kind of palette. It was like stack of 3 with blush, highlighter and bronzer. Honestly, I didn't like that. Usually they come out with books and palettes which has 5 to 6 blushes, and I think I would recommend those. And even NARS, but NARS is very costly. Hourglass is very costly, so honestly I'm not gonna recommend those. But and honestly I don't even have. I just recently purchased the NARS blush palette, and even I purchased it when I got it on sale, because NARS is it's a very costly brand, so I wouldn't recommend those. And honestly, not everyone likes blushes. If you are a blusher fanatic, then I think you will buy. Otherwise I'm not sure everyone loves a blush, and I love a good blush. I can't really help it, but I love it. So anyways, let me know in the comments below which blush is your favorite, what brand you use for your blush. Honestly, these are all my favorite blushes. I use it every day. Favorite is Milani Berry Amos, and from Wet n Wild I actually love the shade Pearlescent Pink because it is a very pretty color. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are liking this series, please let me know in the comments below. I have done only the top 5 favorite drugstore foundation. I need to do high-end ones also, so I'll surely do that. And yeah guys, please also follow me on Instagram. I honestly need your support there also, so please support me, subscribe to my channel, because not a lot of people are subscribed to my channel. I can see that almost 70-75% people who watch my videos have not subscribed to my channel, so please support me guys. Honestly, I'm seeing whether I can translate the videos to Arabic as well, because here I have a lot of audience from Dubai, so I need to, if they want the videos in Arabic translation, I don't know how to do that, but I'll see how to do that. If you know, let me know in the comments below. And yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.